fuel? Oh, so you're gonna have to pick it up now, loser.
Don't know what's gotten into Lampy today. It's almost like he came into the office with an agenda to make everyone miserable.
Yeah, so some of us are still just trying to figure out how everything's gonna work around here. But Lampy is coming in hot with the villain eye, so we guys should probably do something about that.
I know it's not my place, but can you fire Lampy?
Look, I would, but Lan Vi is actually a really talented editor.
Yeah, right.
I'll talk to him later, okay? Hey Lan Vi, so I don't know what's been up with you lately, but you're kind of being a little bit of a nuisance lately. And you know what? One of our goals here is to create a safe environment for everyone, and you're kind of jeopardizing that a little bit. So can you just calm down?
Why don't they understand? Oh, we're trying to make a safe work environment here. Like I'm the problem. Time to make everyone mad at me. I'm just so sick and tired of printing out every single frame of the video I've been making, and it's just like, just come and look at it, sorry, over the computer.
Dude, why are you doing this? You were fine yesterday.
Yeah, you changed, man.
I can see that you've had Trello open since yesterday. Is something wrong? Do you need help with Trello or something?
No. Maybe.
Oh, really? Hold on, sorry. Let me take a look.
I don't know how to send a link to the
Okay, so you just go click attachments and then copy paste.
Oh, what? That was so easy. I got stuck doing that, but I resort to terrorizing the entire office. Well, thanks, guys.
No worries.
Yeah, next time ask for help before you start causing minor inconveniences.
Yeah, of course.